Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Exam Connection. It makes your preparation to next level. This is the third part of this series, 800 MCQ of the cell biology. So let's start. 216. If the content of the leaf tissue are carefully fractionated, which of the fractionate could be called alive? मीन्स ये कह रहे हैं कि लीप की टिश्यू को यदि हम फ्रैक्शनेट कर दें, इसको डिवाइड कर दें छोटे छोटे पार्ट में, इसके ऑर्गन के पार्ट में, तो इनमें से जो कौन सा कंटेंट होगा, कौन सा ऑर्गन होगा जिसको हम अलाइव कहेंगे या जीवित कहेंगे? ए इज़ अ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, बी सेल वॉल, सी राइबोसोम, डी माइट्रोकॉन्ड्रिया. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज माइट्रोकॉन्ड्रिया. In a cell, energy in the form of ATP is formed in lysosome, C cytoplasm, B mitochondria, D ribosome. The correct answer is B mitochondria. ATP formation in mitochondria through the electron transport chain is called. ATP का फॉर्मेशन होता है जब माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के द्वारा और टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसमिशन की प्रोसेस में. तो इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? ए ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन, बी फोटोलिसिस, सी फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन, डी नन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन. Oxidative phosphorylation occur in our oxidative enzymes are present in A lysosomes, B peroxisome, C chondriosome, D uricosome, and the correct answer is C. Chondriosome. Okay. What is the fundamental physiology of the two mitochondrial membrane? A outer selective, inner oxidative, B outer oxidative, inner selective, C both oxidative, D both selective. The correct answer is outer selective, inner oxidative. It means A. Which part of the plant cell is most closely associated with the energy conversion reaction of aerobic respiration? प्लांट्स, वो कौन सा पार्ट होगा प्लांट सेल का जो सबसे ज़्यादा कनेक्ट होगा एनर्जी कन्वर्जन रिएक्शन में एरोबिक रिएक्शन के दौरान? तो ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, बी क्लोरोप्लास्ट, सी nucleus, and D lysosome. The correct answer is A mitochondria. तो ऑक्सीडेटिव जो भी एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है वो सब माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होता है और इसमें ही ऑक्सीडेटिव एंजाइम्स भी मिलते हैं. कॉन्ट्रियोसोम इसका ही पार्ट होता है. 222 साइटोक्रोम्स आर A H2 acceptor, B O2 acceptor, C electron acceptor, D proton acceptor. The correct answer is C electron acceptor. तो साइटोक्रोम्स होते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. 23 ATP is generated when electron pass through A NADS2 to union quinone, NADS2 to quinone, B cytosine, C to cytosine A, C cytosine A to cytosine A3, D cytosine A to cytosine C. The correct answer is cytosine A to cytosine A3. Which cell organelle passes the electron transport system? A nucleus, B mitochondria, C centriole, D ER. The correct answer is B mitochondria. N ATP molecules contain 1 ribonucleotide molecules, 1 deoxyribonucleotide, C 1 peptide, and D 1 phosphatic acid molecules. The correct answer is 1 ribonucleotide molecule. The formation of ATP in mitochondria was discovered by A. Melvin Calvin, B. Arnon, C. Krebs and Lippmann, D. F.B. Blackman. The correct answer is Krebs and Lippmann. In mitochondria, the electron receptor is A. Cytochrome A, B. Cytochrome oxidase, C. Water, and D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. Where the cytophore system is located in eukaryotic cell. जो साइटोफोर सिस्टम होता है वो कहाँ लोकेटेड होता है यूकैरियोटिक सेल में, तो कहाँ होगा? इज क्रिस्टी ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Oxysomes are found attached to the A. outer membrane of mitochondria, B. inner membrane of mitochondria, C. outer membrane of chloroplast, D. inner membrane of chloroplast. Is attached to inner membrane of mitochondria. Quantity of which of the following structure is present in mitochondria? Mitochondria में इनमें से कौन सी स्ट्रक्चर मौजूद होगा? A. F1 particle of oxysome, B. quantosome, C. dictyosome and D. polysome. The correct answer is A. F1 particle या oxysome. What are cristae? A. inner growth of plasma lemma, B. ingrowth of thylakoids, ingrowths of outer mitochondrial membrane, D. folds of inner mitochondrial membrane. The correct answer is D. folds of the inner mitochondrial membrane. If you see a mitochondria in an electron microscope, the distinguishing feature which you will observe in A. double membrane, B. crystalline, C. cristae, D. ribosome. The correct answer is cristae. When exposed to ultrasonic, a mitochondrion undergo A. change in shape. इट मीन अल्ट्रासोनिक जो रेडिएशन होगा उसमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में क्या चेंजेज आएंगे? ए. चेंज इन शेप, बी. एक्टिवेशन, ये एक्टिव हो जाएगा, सी. फ्रेगमेंटेशन एंड नो चेंज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. फ्रेगमेंटेशन. In prokaryotic cell, the enzymes involved in the oxidation of metabolites are associated with A. nucleoid, B. inner membrane, C. outer membrane, D. ribosome. Correct answer is inner membrane. Mesosomes substitute the function of lysosome and mitochondria in mesosomes substitute the function of lysosome and mitochondria in B. A. protozoa and algae, B. bacteria and blue green algae, C. mycoplasma of fungi and D. none of these. ये कह रहे हैं कि इनमें से कौन से एनिमल्स होंगे जिसमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया लाइसोसोम की जगह पे जो काम करेगा वो कौन करेगा? मीजोसोम करेगा. यानी कि इनमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एब्सेंट होगा, लाइसोसोम एब्सेंट होगा और उसकी जगह पे मीजोसोम प्रेजेंट होगा. तो ये इनमें से कौन सी वो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म होंगे? बैक्टीरिया. इसमें मीजोसोम होता है जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का काम करता है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कुड बी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड from similar looking particle in living cell by virtue of the affinity for A. acetylcholine, B. eosin, C. genus green B, D. lactophenol. The correct answer is genus green B. Where respiratory organelle occur in bacteria? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. ER and D. Mesosome. अभी ऊपर हमने पढ़ा था mesosome. Quantity of mitochondrial DNA in a cell is 1% of cellular DNA, 2% of cellular DNA, and 10% of cellular DNA, 15% of cellular DNA. The correct answer is 1% of cellular DNA. Why a mitochondrion is a semi-autonomous structure? It means mitochondria अपने आप में खुद काम करने वाला, खुद से चलने वाला स्ट्रक्चर है. Because it contain cristae. B. It contain DNA, RNA and ribosomes. C. It contain oxysome. And D. It contain all of the above. The correct answer is B, because it contain DNA, RNA and ribosomes. Which of the following is functionally active even after fractionate of the cell? ये रिपीट हो गया है कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को फ्रैक्शनेट करेंगे, इसमें से किसको हम एक्टिव या अलाइव कहेंगे? तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Which of the following structure contains cytogenes? A. Ribosome, B. Hyaloplasm, C. Mitochondria and nucleus. The correct answer is C. Only mitochondria have a structure, contain cytogenes. Where does Krebs cycle occur in a cell? A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Cytoplasm and D. Peroxisome. The correct answer is mitochondria में Krebs process होती है. Succinic dehydrogenase, aconitase and other enzymes of Krebs cycles are present in inner membrane of mitochondria. B. Matrix. C. Perimitochondrial space. D. Outer membrane of mitochondria. And the correct answer is matrix. In which part of the mitochondrion the ATP I formed? A. Matrix. B. Microbosomes. C. Oxosomes. D. Outer activity ऑक्सीसोम ओनली, क्योंकि उसमें ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में केवल यही इनमें से मिलता है. मैट्रिक्स भी मिलता है लेकिन प्रोसेस उसमें होती है एटीपी. साइटोक्रोम इज फाउंड इन ए. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, बी. प्लाज्मोलेमा, सी. गोल्जी बॉडी, डी. न्यूक्लियस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. The reaction of the synthesis of OTP is A. Exergonic, D. Endergonic, C. Reversible, D. Spontaneous. The correct answer is endergonic, जो कि एनर्जी को गेन करता है. Beside nucleus, DNA is also present in A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Lysosome and D. Golgi body. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria. In which of the following part of the mitochondria succinic dehydrogenase enzyme is located? A. Outer membrane, B. Inner membrane, C. Perimitochondrial space, D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is inner membrane of mitochondria. F1 particle or exosomes are present in, is it mitochondria? Which is not a non-protoplasmic cell inclusion? इनमें से कौन सा नहीं है जो जिसमें प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं होगा इन सेल इंक्लूजन्स में? ए. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, बी. स्टार्च ग्रेन, सी. रेफाइट एंड डी. साइटोलिथ. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Mitochondria are absent in blue-green algae, red algae, green algae, RBC of mammals? Very important question. The correct answer is A. Brugline algae. Because this is a cyanobacteria, it's present mesosome in the absence of the mitochondria. ATP, the energy currency of cell, is synthesized in A. Ribosome, B. Golgi complex, C. Mitochondria, and D. Nucleus. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria. If a biochemical analysis of mitochondria are to be done, the best procedure would be. यदि हमें उसका बायोकेमिकल एनालिटिकल टेस्ट करना है तो हम इनमें से क्या करेंगे? ग्राइंड द सेल एंड filter out the mixture and take the debris. B. Subject the cell to cell fractionate centrifuge and obtain mitochondria. C. Select cell which have a larger number of mitochondria. D. Plasmolysis the cell, filter it and take the debris. The correct answer is B. हम इसको सेंट्रीफ्यूज करते हैं और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को इसमें से सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. प्लास्टिड कंटेन ए पोरस मेम्ब्रेन, बी क्रिस्टी, सी थैलाकॉइड एंड डी माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज thylakoid. Beside leucoplast, starch grain can develop in A. chloroplast, B. lysosome, C. mitochondria, D. chloroplast. The correct answer is chloroplast. The photosynthesis unit are termed as A. microsome, B. spherosome, C. glyoxysome, D. quantosome. And the correct answer is D. quantosome. Stroma is ground substance of A. ribosome, B. chloroplast, C. cytoplasm, D. mitochondria. And the correct answer is chloroplast. Okay. From recent study, it has been found that pre-existing plastid arise from A. bodies called pre-plastid, the nucleus, C. vacuole, and the cell wall. The correct answer is body cell pre-plastid. The internal structure of chloroplast is best studied by using a phase contrast microscope, B. interface microscope, an electron microscope, D. a compound microscope. And the correct answer is an electron microscope. Chloroplast is completely dependent on nucleus, B. completely independent from nucleus, C. semi-autonomous body, D. autonomous body. The correct answer is it is the semi-autonomous body. Cell organelle found only in plants are A. mitochondria, B. ribosome, C. Golgi complex, and D. plastid. The correct answer is plastid. Thylakoid are found in a bacteria, B. blue-green algae, C. higher plants, D. all of the above. The correct answer is ये सभी. Each granum contain A. 2 to 50 thylakoid, 2 to 100 thylakoid, 2 to 10 thylakoid, and 2 to 20 thylakoid. The correct answer is 2 to 10 thylakoid. Light reaction occur in A. grana, B. stroma, C. thylakoid, and D. quantosome. And the correct answer is quantosome. Photosystem. Second is related to? A. Grana, B. Intergrana, C. Stroma, D. Outer membrane. Okay, light reaction occur in स्ट्रोमा, वैसे थैलेकॉइड में होती है और थैलेकॉइड के ग्रेना और स्ट्रोमा पार्ट में, तो स्पेसिफिक है स्ट्रोमा. फोटोसिस्टम सेकंड इज रिलेटेड टू ए ग्रेना. In which cell organelle the light energy is transformed into the organic material? A. Chromoplast, B. Etioplast and leucoplast, C. Chloroplast, D. Mitochondria. And the correct answer is chloroplast. How many chlorophyll molecules are present in quantosome? A. 130, B. 230, C. 250 and D. 330. The correct answer is 230. In the thylakoid of grana, the light harvesting pigment protein complex are present called A. Oxysome, B. Oxyophilic granules, C. Quantosome and D. Volutin gran. So the correct answer is quantosome. Which of the following chloroplasts are characterized by the presence of pyrenoid, the chloroplast of? A. An alga, B. bryophyte, C. fern and A. higher plant. The correct answer is an alga. Which of the following type of the chloroplast are found in the cell of a higher plant? A. Griddle shape, B. Star shape, C. Discoid shape and D. Reticulate. The correct answer is discoidal shape. हायर प्लांट में डिस्कॉइड शेप के क्लोरोप्लास्ट मिलते हैं. व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंजाइम प्रेजेंट इन स्ट्रोमा? कैटालिस, B. peroxidase, C. RUDP carboxylase and D. pyruvate decarboxylate. The correct answer is RUDP carboxylase. स्ट्रोमा में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. When a cell absorbs energy from an environment, the reaction is A. ADP plus AMP equal to ATP, ADP plus PP, ATP plus P, C. ADP plus P equal to ATP or ATP equal to ATP plus P. And the correct answer is ADP plus P or ATP. Which of the following is cellular site of cyclic photophosphorylation? इसमें से कौन सी सेलुलर साइट होगी साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन में? ए. ग्रेना, बी. इंटरग्रेना, सी. स्ट्रोमा, डी. एनी ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज होगी इंटरग्रेना. The inner envelope of chloroplast is impermeable to A. triose 1-phosphate, B. orthophosphate, C. sucrose and D. glutamine. The correct answer is A. triose 1-phosphate. Which of the following reaction occur in the granum of chloroplast? A. Hill reaction, B. Blackman reaction and synthesis of enzyme and D. replication of the genopore. The correct answer is Hill reaction. is present in grana of chloroplast? फोटोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया एंड BZA, जिन्हें हम साइनोबैक्टीरिया भी कहते हैं, have molecular component of their light receptor pigment, and the correct answer is C, chromatophore. Phycoerythrin is present in Phycoerythrin is present in A. Chloroplast, B. Pheoplast, C. Rhodoplast, and D. Leucoplast. And the correct answer is C. Rhodoplast. What happens when the chloroplast is kept in dark for over 24 hours? A. Chlorophyll is lost. B. Starch is lost. C. Thylakoid are disintegrated. And D. Ribosome disappear. What will happen is the starch is lost. Which of the following substances are synthesized in the chloroplast of cell? A. Carbohydrates, B. Hormones, C. Fatty acid and pigments, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all. Which of the following plastid contain no grana and called juvenile plastid? A. Chloroplast, B. Pheoplast, C. Rhodoplast, and D. Etioplast. And the correct answer is Etioplast. If a plant is germinated and kept constantly in a dark, which of the following type of plastid should it develop? A. Amyloplast, B. Elioplast, C. Chloroplast, and D. Etioplast and Leucoplast. And the correct is Etioplast and Leucoplast. After germination, a seed did not develop green color. This could be due to the deficiency of A. Nitrogen, B. Fe, C. Magnesium, and D. Light. The correct answer is light. Polygonal starch grain are found in A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Pea, and D. Maize. And the correct answer is maize. In potato, the starch grain are oval, eccentric, C. concentric, D. spherical. And the correct answer is B. eccentric. A colorless plastid which stores starch in termed. कलरलेस प्लास्टिड है जो स्टार्च में स्टोर्ड होता है, उसको कहेंगे A. Elioplast, B. Eleuroplast, C. Amyloplast, and D. Etioplast. And the correct answer is C. Etioplast. Amyoplast. Plastid contain microtubules, chromatin network, thylakoid, and cristae. The correct answer is thylakoid. दोबारा रिपीट हो रहा है क्वेश्चन 287. Extra nuclear DNA occur in oxisome and ribosome, B. ER endoplasmic reticulum and dictosome, C. Golgi body and chloroplast. D. Chloroplast and mitochondria. The correct answer is chloroplast and mitochondria. Extranuclear DNA. If we separate the cell organelle of a living cell, what part should be remain alive? ऑर्गेनेल्स, इसमें पूरे ऑर्गेनेल सेल को कह दिया है और इसमें कौन सा अलाइव होगा? द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Which of the following is semi-autonomous due to an autonomic genome system? In term: A. Ribosome and chloroplast. B. Mitochondria and ribosome. C. Chloroplast and mitochondria. D. Golgi body and mitochondria. And the correct answer is C. Chloroplast and mitochondria. Which view is widely accepted about the origin of chloroplast? A. Intracellular origin from ER. Endosymbiotic origin from eukaryotes. Endosymbiotic origin from prokaryote. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. ये सारे widely accepted हैं. All plastid have a similar structure plant because A. All perform common function. B. All store lipid and starch. C. All are born on aerial part. D. All are interconvertible and originate under the identical sets of condition. And the correct answer is D. All are interconvertible originate under identical sets of conditions. Thylakoid are seen in the plastid of higher plant, bacteria, C. algae, and D. all of the above. And the correct answer is A. higher plant. Structure of storage of starch pigment are Golgi body, B. nucleus, C. plastid, D. राइबोसोम. तो पिगमेंट्स कहाँ ही होंगे? प्लास्टिड के अंदर. Which of the following type of plastid are commonly found in cells not exposed to light? A. leucoplast, B. chloroplast, C. chromoplast, and D. none of the above. And the correct answer is leucoplast में. Quantosome are discovered by Park and Begin, Greiner and Allard, Muller and Morgan, and Liderberg and Tatum. The correct answer is Park and Begin ने क्वांटोसोम को डिस्कवर किया. When green tomato turn red, when chromoplast are changed into a chloroplast, chloroplast is disintegrated and get converted in chromoplast, and new chromoplast are made. And D. none of the above. The correct answer is chromoplast disintegrate and get converted into chromoplast. वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट में ग्रीन कलर होता है, क्रोमोप्लास्ट में रेड कलर. The size of most cell is best expressed in A. inches, meter, centimeter, and micrometer. And the correct answer is D. micrometer. mm में रहती है ना साइज. Membrane occur in chromosomes, chloroplast, and starch grain. Chromosomes, nuclei, and mitochondria. C. cytoplasm, chloroplast, and mitochondria. D. cytoplasm, nuclei, and starch grain. The correct answer is C. cytoplasm, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Genus Green bee is a strain suitable for staining? A. Nuclei, B. Mitochondria, C. Vacuole, and D. Cytoplasm. And the correct answer is B. Mitochondria. One of the following shows endosymbiosis: A. Peroxisomes, B. Ribosomes, C. Mitochondria, and D. Centriole. And the correct answer is mitochondria. Folding of inner membrane of mitochondria are called, ये पहले भी रिपीट हो चुका है, दिस इज क्रिस्टी. Autonomic genome. Autonomic gene system is present in Golgi body and mitochondria, B. Mitochondria and chloroplast, C. Ribosomes and chloroplast, D. Mitochondria and ribosome. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria and chloroplast. Endoplasmic reticulum was discovered by A. Sutton, B. Porter, C. Watson, D. Roberts. The correct answer is Porter.